back. In this lecture we will learn how to execute Java code, right? So first we will understand how to execute Java code, right? You can see this is the steps we need to follow to execute any Java application or any Java program. So first, what is your first steps? So first step says you will save .java file, right? If you will create any class name, then we will save that file name as a .java. Then we will compile this. What is the compiler? I will discuss in the coming session. Then after compilation you have to do, then what will happen after compilation? The compiler will create .class file. .class file is nothing but it is a bytecode. Okay, and this bytecode will communicate with JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay, after that it will, you know, it will we will get the output on the console. So this is the simple process to how to execute Java code. So let's go in your, here, and we will see how this first code will work, Java code. So I'm going to in your in practical session. So in the last session we had already discussed how to create, how to set up the Java environment. So this is my edit plus software. So here just I'm going to create one Java file. So right, this is the Java file. So we will select the Java. Then I'm going to create one class name bank app. Okay, so in this session, we are going to discuss how to execute first Java code and what is the execution flow of that. So this is your bank app. Okay, bank app. So this is your first where you can we have to save this. So you can save this class name. So this is your class keyword and this is your class name, right? So here we need to save this in your any location. So what is the extension? We can say this is the Java extension. So now we having the Java file. So I will save this. So this is I have created this file. So next lecture we will learn how to execute and what is the use of class keyword and why we use the main method. So coming session we will discuss this part. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next lecture.